Hi, welcome to my lab and studio. I am Veronica Blanco, a senior at Salem College, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Today, I wanted to introduce you to a little insect called Dactylopus coccus, also known as the cochineal. The cochineal grows in the prickly pear cacti in certain regions of Mexico and Peru. It also grows in the sandy areas in Central Europe and in the Middle East in Armenia. So the ancient discovered that these little bodies contained carminic acid. So by extracting it, they would obtain a very vibrant red. The cochineal pigment has a fascinating history that spans centuries and continents, influencing art, fashion, and trade. For example, the Aztecs used to dye their fabrics with this pigment, giving their clothing a prestigious red color. And it was highly valued in religious rituals because the red hue symbolized power and status. Now, before we continue, I need to state the difference between a dye and a pigment. A dye is made out of organic matter, while pigment is made out of minerals. In this case, because we are using cochineal, we will be making a dye that can be also used as a very light watercolor. But in the next video, I'm going to show you through another process how we can change a cochineal dye into a pigment and create our own watercolor, acrylics, or oil paints. So to start making our dye or extracting the pigment out of the cochineal, we'll put some of the dried insects into the mortar and we grind them softly with a pestle. I think the acidic of the paper helps to change certain colors. And remember, this was diluted with alcohol, so it might have certain effect. All right, see you later. Well, I believe that making your own pigments adds a layer of intimacy to your art, because not only do you connect to nature, but also to centuries of artists who came before. Thank you for joining me. I hope you find this helpful and see you next time.